Hi. It's so busy out here. Woo! Man. It's like, I think it's negative. Joke. for for me for me the temperature is like a negative already. So yeah, but it's
Tulungan
good
natin
to
si Jackie.
skin.
Bibigyan natin ng isa. Buhay na buhay.
Ayan.
Buhay na buhay.
Yes. At time check, it's
11:30.
yeah 11:30.
Ay, hindi. Pambabae.
So this is the street of Mongkok, the famous shopping street in Hong Kong, and people are still energetic.
To buy shoes.
Are still energetic. So as you can see, they don't need security guards. Everything's very open, and the people of Hong Kong really loves shopping. It's Saturday night.
We're looking for gay men right now.
Hi Rafi. You should join us next time with Reggie. That weird sound is actually the traffic signal. So we'll be crossing the streets of what is this? Nathan Road ba to?
Nathan.
Yeah. There's this Nathan Road, and the people of Hong Kong. So we're fast approaching the sneaker street. Tama ba?
Ito nga ba yun? Ayan.
Yeah. So
Ay, wala na yung mga kumakan.
actually ngayon ng mas earlier, mga around 8 p.m. mas maraming mga tiyanggi dito sa street nila. Pero I know some of you were able to visit Hong Kong already, and this is a must place for shopping, especially for rubber shoes. Maraming titinda ng rubber shoes dito, mga famous brand. So
Ayun na doon ako.
ang mga taga Hong Kong na dress to kill. Saan? Saan pala? Ay, oo. Electronics and gadgets are also very affordable. Ayan, mga magandang kotse. And what else? Ayan, so buhay na buhay ang gabi ng Hong Kong. Cosmetics at ang kanilang native tongue, Mandarin and Cantonese.
Kasi galing tayo.
Alright, malalobat na ako. Malalobat na ako. So I just wanted to share you guys what I'm actually experiencing tonight, and I hope someday, para doon sa hindi pa nakapunta, siguro first or a must to go in Asia Pacific, Hong Kong. Malapit sa atin and low fare. So gadget store. So, dito legacy phone. Gadgets everywhere. Oh, wala bro, wala pa tayo sa ano. Okay. Allowed ba? Ang video? Makahuli. Yan, oo. Medyo marami pa yung sorry. Shoe area. Pero right now, yan. Sonics and gadgets. So lots of gadgets. Headsets. DSLR. Phones. Ba Zenfo, no? No? Hindi. Huawei, di ba ano? Ang Zenfo. Okay. But we just noticed dito sa Hong Kong, they're brand conscious. So kanina, we went to one of their biggest Apple store here. And very fast in service. Maraming Apple fans. And some of the branded are of course Samsung, LG, Huawei, and some of the branded. Hindi ka guys sa Philippines maraming klase ng mga phones or smartphones. So while we are waiting for our friend, let's just go back to the streets of Hong Kong again. So there you go. Hindi naman nins. Vacation lang. Mga 3 months din na nagpaka-stress sa preparation sa big event ng CHRS. That's the name of the company. Last March 15. In partnership with RT. Okay. Ano, diretso tayo? Okay. Bibili ka pa ba ng ano? Shoes mo? Parang mas marami kanina eh. Di ba na ano? Parang nag-close na ibang shops. Oo nga eh. Hindi. Electronics and gadgets. Sa kabala ano? Di ba yung kanina magkakatabi yung mga shoes? Oo. What is that? Happy birthday. Photoshoot? Ah, hindi. Parang pwede ko mag-picture na may ano. Shoutouts. Okay. So, actually, it's turning spring here in Hong Kong. Pero tonight, according to the weather forecast, it's 16 degrees. But only 10% chance of raining. So hindi naman daw uulan. Siguro tumawid eh. Okay, sige. Ay, street food nila dito. Paano sugar cane na ano? Ba't may sugar cane? Tubo. What's this? Ah, yeah, ito. Bro. Ito pala dapat gawin mo. Post ka na ganito. Parang street photography. Paano ba tawag dito? Mga shoutout? Yan ito sa ano, diba? VR. So what's really nice here at Hong Kong is that it's very safe, unlike in the Philippines. At this point in time, dyan sa Pinas, shops won't really stay this long kasi lalo kung mga branded kasi of security issue. Pero dito, there are no security guards. So open lahat. Di sila natatakot mahablutan ng mga paninda nila, rubber shoes or cosmetics or gadgets or electronics. So it's really, really very safe here. So you won't even bother yourself or worry yourself na matutukutan ka. Asa si James? Ayan na. James, say hi.
Hi.
Margo, say hi. Okay. Yung kasama namin, si Tita, the beloved mother of James, or Queen Mother, pagod na.
Queen Mother.
Kasi this morning, we went to... Saan tayo nagpunta? Kanina? Shut.
MB Star Pisces.
Yeah.
Meron mga
Sa Star Pisces ng Star Cruises. We had an opportunity to, for the very first time, lalo sa akin, actually sa amin lahat, makapasok sa isang cruise for free. Kasi yung isang engineer is a relative of one of our friends. So, tinur kami doon sa Star Cruise. Plus, sumakay kami ng ferry boat going to the other part of Hong Kong because we wanted to visit the peak tram. Kaso when we went there, sobrang haba ng pila. So, kinancel namin and we decided to go here at Mongkok to do some shopping kasi yung mga kasama ko ay gustong bumili ng rubber shoes. So if you are a fanatic of rubber shoes, Adidas, Nike, Reebok, there's lots of discounted branded shoes here in Hong Kong. So shopping galore, especially at night. I know some of you miss Hong Kong and visit it soon. Robotic sana. Alright. Malulubat na ako. So, there. I just wanted to share you guys Hong Kong street at night, Saturday night. Tomorrow we'll be back to Manila. And maximize lang namin yung aming last night here para mas ma-energize pa. So, thank you and good night. And see you when I see you guys. Bye-bye.